Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Creative Queen X. My name is Gia and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a few winter hacks. They are very easy, very straightforward. I think you're definitely going to love those. I'm going to come with lots and lots of more hack videos, and I hope you guys enjoy it and find this video useful, because this winter they're definitely going to help you out. So enjoy and stay tuned. Keep watching. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. If you have a loose sweater or an old sweater lying around the house, all you need to do is simply take your sweater and tuck it inside your jeans, and make sure that you don't tuck it too tight. Just make sure it is slightly loosened from the front and the back, and or if you make it a little bit tight, you can also wear a belt with it as well, and this way you can reuse your old sweater. It's really simple and looks really great. If it's really cold and you've got a shrug lying around the house, simply wear a sweater, and what you can do is wear the shrug on top of it, which means that it is gonna give you some extra warmth, and it actually looks really modern because you've added some layering and it looks great. Yeah, and it definitely keeps you really warm. This trick is extremely nice and really useful. What you can do is, if you have like summer dresses or summer clothing lying around the house, you can reuse it during winter as well. Simply what you need to do is take any sweater you have and put it on top of that dress, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna give like an illusion as if you're wearing a skirt, and I think that looks really great, and this way you have reused an item during winter as well. And yeah, ta-da, there you go. Oh my god, this trick is my ultimate favorite. What you need to do is just take a legging, which is like a thermal legging. From the outside it looks like a really nice polished finish, and from the inside it is like a thermal, and it keeps you warm, but and at the same time it is a fashion hack. I chose to wear these leggings with a long top because you can't see the lines, and it looks really good. If you have a sweater dress that is like a one size, what you can do is you can give it several different looks, and that's what I absolutely love about it. You can wear it in different styles. You can change the neck into like different modes, and it just looks really great. You can transform it into like a big long neck, or like from the sides you can take off the shoulder, one shoulder, or like make it like an off shoulder top, or make it like a long back top, or from the front it can be a big top, big neck, and yeah, whatever you like. My final hack is extremely easy and it looks really great with any outfit. All you need to do is you need a safety pin and a shawl or a scarf, and just put it around your shoulders and put the safety pin from inside, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's extremely simple, and this way you can reuse any of your shawls lying around, and yeah, it just gives you a new look to the entire outfit. It's extremely easy and beautiful. So at the end of the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching until the end. And if you are new to the family, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that little bell notification. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And let me know in the comments down below what you think of my jumper today. It's actually so super cozy. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future so that I can always try to make those kind of videos for you guys. And yes, stay blessed, stay warm, and look after yourself. Mwah.